Got it? Let's translate that mindset into English and look at how to actually turn your trading around. Experiencing losses in trading is incredibly frustrating, and it's completely natural to want a massive 20x profit to wipe the slate clean. However, chasing a 20x return overnight is the fastest way to lose everything. Professional trading isn't about making one lucky bet, it's about managing risk so you can stay in the game long enough to let your profits compound. Here is a realistic professional action plan to stop the bleeding and build a profitable strategy. 1. Pause and stop revenge trading. When you are losing, emotions take over. You start trading with bigger sizes just to win back what you lost. This is called revenge trading, and it is a trap. Action: step away from the screens for 48 hours. Let your mind clear. 2. Treat trading like a business, not a lottery. To grow your account significantly, you need a strict set of rules. No professional trader guesses. The 1% risk rule: never risk more than 1% to 2% of your total account balance on a single trade. If you have $1,000, you should never lose more than $10 to $20 on one bad trade. Always use a stop loss. A stop loss is your insurance policy. It automatically cuts your trade before a small loss turns into a catastrophic one. Risk to reward ratio: 1:2 or 1:3. Never enter a trade unless the potential profit is at least double what you are risking. If you risk $10, your profit target must be at least $20. This means even if you only win 40% of your trades, you will still be profitable overall. 3. How a 20x return actually happens. A 20x return, 2000%, does not happen in a single trade, that is gambling. It happens through consistency and compounding over time. Look at the difference in approach. The amateur approach, high risk. The professional approach, smart growth, uses high leverage and risks the whole account. Focuses on making 5% to 10% consistent return per month. Tries to turn $1,000 into $20,000 in a week. Uses compounding, reinvesting profits to grow the account safely. Result: blows up the account to $0. Result: multiplies the account safely over time. The next step: forget about the 20x target for a moment. Your goal for the next 30 days is simply to stop losing and stick to a strict risk management plan. Once you master survival, the big profits will naturally follow. What specific market are you trading right now, crypto, forex or stocks, and what usually triggers your losses?